going on, ladies and gentlemen? Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to Double M's YouTube. For those who don't know me, I am a trader, crypto enthusiast, analyst, things of that nature. So, for all the newcomers here, welcome and hope you enjoy. We're about to get into some QNT content, but beforehand, as you can see, the Twitter's on the screen. Highly recommend to give me a follow. I'm, active up here every single day. You can see that link tree in the bio. That will also be in the YouTube description and about section below. Will look something like this. Highly recommend joining my Telegram channel. This is not a Telegram where you communicate, just the channel, not the group. Full updates every single day. Same thing with Twitter. Crypto Tribe Discord. Less updates personally coming from me, but the elaborative community with over 50 plus members. We're trying to get it back active. If you want to come and elaborate and things of that nature, talk to MM and our fellow individuals. Go ahead and hop in, and you can check out the other links. All right. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So, coming back with the QNT update, man. As you know, MM was right, but somewhat wrong in a sense as far as the chronological order of the steps here. So as you know, we have a same update. We're just going off the same type of structure and things of that nature. This will be a quick one, not too much to cover. We're just going to keep it, simple and to the point, because sometimes the most complex things in nature are the most simplistic, and vice versa. So, support box here from 106 down to the 104, so I guess you could say 104 to 107 region when you count the wicks and the candles. Obviously we're going off the main block here, and we could honestly bring this down, but I was like, there is no point, just considering we had some strength here upon the candles. So I'm going off the double blocks here, and over here. So we have 1 2 3 4, as well as the crossover from the 2-wick candles going to the high. So coming over to the right side, this is the 12 hour. So we had somewhat of a wedge pennant here. Middle ground of the median, I'm going off these blocks of this consolidation here. As we went in, pumped, did our little, shebang, and then kept going up. So that middle ground there is where I crossed it over. Now, following this, we were right here fighting this box, and I seen this wick go very, very low. That was basically somewhat of our fake out, and it did fake out me in a sense, because within my prediction, I assumed that we'd come down here and tap these lows. I did not think we would get lower than 103, 104 at the very, very low. But surprised we didn't have a, I was looking for one more of these double candles to just come down and tap and make that lower low before impulsing, consolidating, and breaking above, but we had done that early, which is lovely. Now, as you can see, we're still battling, trying to fight this horizontal resistance box, and we have the candles going from the 116 closed candles on the 12 hour to the 117, 118, things of that nature. So we'll keep that. Might as well just put that at the high wick there. So following, let's see this right back. So following that, we have a wick high above, and it looks like we cannot get above that thing. If we look at the 4 hour, same thing. 1 hour, it looks like we are currently breaking above. So I think we can continue pushing past, but it just depends on this 1 hour, 4 hour close in this box. If we can get up here, we could do some consolidating, double top. We could have a deviation, come back down, correct slightly, consolidate before booming back up. Anything is completely possible, but one thing we know for sure is we have overtaken a new level. So we have a new consolidation zone, and it won't be below the 108 level anymore. We have surpassed a main box, and I look at the new lows here being 111, 112 at the start of the bottom of the wick in the last candle. So everything is looking very, very well. A couple things: we either break above this box and consolidate here before breaking out, or we reject this box here and come and consolidate between this what I like to call our middle ground. I don't want to call it no man's land because we're not really in the trenches, but things of that nature. Everything in the middle here. This could be all noise until we break and hold above this box. As you know, we have a key resistance here. So that is what I am looking for. As you know, Money Mazin has been updating you upon the long. I went long around this area at the $99 mark, and I'm going to hold that until 135, 160, 185, 200, as long as I could do it for, okay? So long-term holds at the moment for those that want updates. It's QNT at 99, Bitcoin entry at 37,100, so we are sitting pretty on that. And then we do have Solana right under the box break, so I'm up like 160, 170% on that, something of that nature. So we're going to continue holding these. Target upon all for the Bitcoin one. I'm not sure if I want to take profits here on the next impulse towards 47, 48k, or if I want to just let it ride continuation following a somewhat of a correction that we have to have eventually, or And then for Solana, I think I want to let it run to the hundreds range. You know what I'm saying? Like 130, 120, 130. Basically at the highs of the support box going off the 1 weekly channel. So those are the updates. If you want to keep up with my trades and things of that nature, Twitter and Telegram are the best place to be. If you do want to elaborate in depth, I'm going to stop using the DMs on Twitter just because I have other access points. So there's really no point for me to do that anymore. Just go ahead and hop into Discord and we can elaborate there. And there are fellow traders, fellow Qnt enthusiasts, investors, people that are invested in all type of cryptocurrencies, people that trade forex, everything, literally everything. So we are going very, very broad, and we're not trying to be basically tied down to one specific endeavor or lane, and that's where we are going with it. Now, I will show you some just very quickly on Bitcoin, because obviously Bitcoin has an effect on the market here. So, all right, now if we look at our 12-hour here, 12-hour, all right, so we have our parallel channel. Going off of the lows and the highs of the closes upon the 12-hour. As you can see, we have 1, 2 upon the tops, and then we have 1, 2 on the bottom. So a lot of people were automatically like, hey, we're going back to the highs, it's time to short it back down. But that's not always how it works. A lot of times when we look at chart patterns, like, for instance, in crypto, there's a lot of fake outs. So you could have a triangle continuation formation or a bull flag, and then it breaks the opposite way that the textbook is saying it's supposed to go. And people are confused when that happens if you are new to the space. But for instance, if you trade Forex, 9 times out of 10, if you see a bull flag or a triangle continuation, if you get in on a good entry, yeah, you'll have your wick lows, run your stops, squeezes, things of that nature. But it's relatively much easier to trade as far as textbook patterns, in my opinion, than it would be for Forex. It's just, we have a lot of manipulation in crypto, but here things get better looking on the 4-hour. Now, if we zoom into this, we have our basically correction, our dip V bottom here, and it goes off of our key SR. So we basically made those new highs, and we came and went through a very big barrier, and we're just sitting pretty, creating a bull flag / triangle continuation. Depends what breaks and what holds. So going off the channel for the bull flag here, we are going off the first candle closes to the bottom of the candle closes, and that is our range here. So we have wicks below and wicks high, and those first 2 wicks that we can see are creating a triangle formation. Now we are still below that median range as we came down there. What was it, last night? Yeah, something of that nature. So as long as we can break above, hold that, we might go up, get one more rejection down, come back up. I think we can squeeze into this. Maybe have somewhat of a Christmas pump or thing of that nature. So from there, keep up with my updates, man. Highly recommend it. If you guys ever need help, just hop in the Discord. If you have any questions, I'm always helping people out for free, to the best of my ability, of course. You know what I'm saying? But with that being said, man, I hope you guys have a great rest of your holidays, great holiday week. Take some time off for those celebrating. And I will tell you this, I'm going to be active all throughout, the holidays and things of that nature. My schedule's not changing. I'm going hard for the rest of the year. And I do want to let you guys know, me and a good friend of mine are coming up with a new business venture. I've been working, building, training, making money, trading, and just grinding in this space since 2019. So we're going on 4+ years here. And I will tell you, we are bringing something new, and it will be implemented into the Discord. Don't want to give too much of what it is, but please stay tuned, because we are going to be helping a lot of upcoming traders, beginners, rookies, investors, things of that nature. And that is going to be our goal with this new endeavor. So please stay tuned. I hope to have everything ready to go by January, maybe February, something of that nature. Just depends how big we want to take it. But that being said, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and subscribe. It means a lot to a small channel. And if please comment your thoughts below. Good, bad, ugly, agree, disagree. There's no such thing as a wrong bias. Shout out to all those who made money off this move, and peace out.